Hello and welcome to the Cabinet of Creations, where you will find horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. Hi guys and welcome to this special episode. Okay, right, being a UK doll artist, I was asked to join in kind of like a collab where with 5 other UK doll artists we had to send out a box of mystery stuff. Now I absolutely love putting this stuff together. The materials in the box were sent to me from Stitchwick, and the materials that I had to put together was sent to... No, got that wrong. The materials that I had to make my doll from was from Stephoodoll, and the mystery box I put together was sent to Stitchwick. So go and watch both of their videos. In fact, watch obviously all 6, including this one. Mine first though. If you come from their channels, hello, welcome. If you go to their channel, say Amanda from Cabinet Creation says hi, and enjoy. It's very good. So the theme was D&D, the Ranger. And I said I'd love to take part. I just had 2 questions in my head. What was D&D and what was the Ranger? But thanks to Google search, you'll be glad to know that I actually am very clued up now on D&D and the Ranger. And a couple of the other characters as well. So yeah, here we go. Here's the Ranger. Enjoy. You better enjoy it. Nah, too harsh. Enjoy! Okay. Oh, watch it if you want to. I don't know, you might not want to, but I think you should. And you must like and subscribe. That's definite. So here's the Monster High doll that I start with. I cut her hair really short, cut off her ears. Plunge her into a vat of boiling water, and then that softens the plastic so you can easily pop off her head. Then I scrape inside with a screwdriver and pull out the existing hair plugs. And here she is with 1 coat of skin colour, sprayed with MSC, and then this is how it dries, so I'll do a few coats of that. And then... and this is what's in the box. Hi Amanda, you've got the Ranger box. I can't wait to see what you create. I really wasn't sure what to include aside from fabric, trims and hair, so I hope I've given you enough variety of materials to have fun with. Also wasn't sure if you might be vegan or not, so I erred on the side of caution with the sweets. Yeah, the sweets. I ate the sweets already, so they weren't in the shot. After I'd done layers of soft pastels to get the skin tone I'd like, and spraying Mr. Super Clear in between the finished layers, I then go in with watercolour pencils to give the face the detail. The Ranger. After tumbling away from a cone of freezing air, an elf finds her feet and draws back her bow to loosen an arrow at the white dragon. Struggling off the wave of fear that emanates from the dragon like the cold of its breath, she sends one arrow after another to find the gaps between the dragon's thick scales. Warriors of the wilderness, rangers specialise in hunting the monsters that threaten the edges of civilization. Humanoid raiders, rampaging beasts and monstrosities, terrible giants and deadly dragons. They learn to track their quarry as a predator does, moving stealthily through the wilds and hiding themselves in brush and rubble. Thanks to their familiarity with the wilds, rangers acquire the ability to cast spells that harness nature's power, much as a druid does. Their spells, like their combat abilities, emphasise speed, stealth and the hunt. A ranger's talents and abilities are honed with deadly focus on the grim task of protecting the borderlands. I thought I'd slow this process down so you can see the detail that goes into the irises on her. I also wanted to convey that she's got a bit of battle damage because she is a ranger and keeps monsters and things at bay. So she's got a few bruises, scrapes, scars, cuts, etc. I also like to do fingernails and the knuckle creases, so I thought I'd show you this incredible tiny detail by having the focus slightly blurred. But trust me, it's there, because that's just the kind of pro I am. never exactly done a template for clothes nor footwear, so I don't show this process, but basically with this one I did it slightly different anyway. I literally sewn the clothes as it was on her, as you can see here. I wanted to give it like a raggedy, put together, sort of, I guess, medieval, it does its job, not to, you know, it doesn't have to look pretty kind of thing. She's a ranger, so she's got more important things on her mind than fashion. Now, included in this box was this foam. Now, I've used foam sheets for various other things, like mostly protecting ornaments on a surface or something like that. Nothing to do with doll creation or anything, but I actually say I think I'm converted, so thank you very much for sending me the foam. It was great to try something new, and I hadn't perhaps thought of ever using it really before, but I think I'm converted to using this for shoes. Maybe sometimes with the warbler, which is a plastic that goes sort of soft when it's heated, and then as it cools it goes harder. But I really like this. You can do a lot more sort of versatile things with it, bendy things. I was worried that paint, it would actually, because it is bendy foam, I thought it would actually crack if it was bent, but it doesn't. Acrylic paint actually stays there as well, so there's no cracking. So yeah, I loved it using this stuff. And obviously super glue as well is fine with it. It doesn't melt it or anything weird. So yeah, I really quite like these boots. I also made some other things as well, like her neck, sort of chest area protection there as well. Here I'm sculpting her little pouches out of that Fimo clay. It's actually supposed to be a leather effect as well, so it works out absolutely brilliantly, I think. And I also used it for a bow as well, and it is, that's how I found out how bendy it was. So you sculpt whatever you want, and then you pop it in the oven at about 130 for about 15 minutes, and there you go. I used some of the pointy sticks, i.e. skewers, that were sent in the mystery box as well. So I'm just wiping on brown acrylic paint using my fingers, that's why they're always so dirty. For her hair, I actually used my own chunky wool. The other lovely gorgeous hair that was sent to me in the mystery box, I've actually only got one needle for rerouting hair, and I thought, well, if that one breaks, which I normally get through about 3 needles per head, I won't have any other needles. So I thought, well, play it safe, I'll do my trusty wool by gluing it on, and I can always use that lovely hair for other projects as well when I've stocked up on needles. Going over with gloss, I love doing this bit. And here she is, enjoy!